You're on your third pomegranate and you still want more. You've never been interested in this green stuff, but now you just can't have enough of it. This is a pregnancy craving and they're quite bizarre. They can feel overwhelming, they can be embarrassing, but let's see why they are. So I'm Zainab, I'm the pharmacist, and I'll explain more about what do the pregnancy cravings actually unravel. The important thing about a lot of these pregnancy cravings is they are not just a whim. There's a lot of changes, biological, physiological, in your body that actually prompt you to have these sort of cravings. Some of them are raised from genuine nutritional needs. So we have covered in previous videos what are the early changes that pregnancy happens, what are the different hormones at different levels in trimesters that happen in our body. And this rising levels of hormones like estrogen and progesterone, they can make you super sensitive to smell receptors, the taste receptors, and that's why some food becomes so much more tastier and some food you can't stand them anymore. The other nutritional needs is, if we go back to what happens in the different trimesters, if in around the second trimester your body needs to create more blood and you need more iron, you suddenly feel steak is so tasty, or you really love that leafy green or the lentils, and it's mostly because your body is trying to compensate that extra amount of iron that it needs. Sometimes you'll find that you just can't have enough of ice cream and milk and yogurt. That's usually because your body is telling you it needs more calcium to build the baby's bones. And sometimes it's salt actually. I've had friends that were just craving salt, having salt crystals just by themselves. Most of the time that is because your body needs to create that extra volume of liquids in your body, and that's one of the ways that it will cause fluid retention. The other thing is, it sometimes is not about nutritional requirements, is because of those reward pathways in your brain that get affected from the different hormone signals. So you just need that chocolate because it's one of the reward pathways in your brain. And the key in this part is not to restrict yourself too much, but to moderate and have a little bit of it, because just feeling guilty about something all the time is not going to do you any good. It's not going to help get the cravings go away either. There's another interesting side to it as well. Sometimes you just can't stand specific things. My cravings were mostly towards fruits. So I remember with my son, I just loved pomegranates. I couldn't have enough of it. And with my daughter, I didn't used to like avocados, but I was having like 2-3 avocados per day sometimes. So it was really interesting for me. But on the other hand, the things that I usually had and I didn't mind, I couldn't stand. One of them was chicken. I still don't like it, but during pregnancy, I could not stand chicken at all in the house. There's a lot of interesting science that women become a lot more averse to strong smelling or strong tasting stuff. These are the things that your body naturally, there's an instinct there to say avoid. Again, it's not clear exactly why these happen, but can be part of the craving process in the pregnancy. How do we handle these cravings? The important things is try to figure out smart swaps if you need to, and just be sensible around the whole thing. For example, if you're constantly craving sugars and chocolates and ice cream, try to put in a couple of yogurts in it. So yogurt is high protein and it will satisfy that same creamy feeling that you'd like to have. The same if it goes with salt, that you really want salt. So add a little bit more salt in a hummus sort of thing. Or if it's chocolates, do a little bit of chocolate, but put a little bit of nuts and fruits in it. So it'll give you much better nutritional factor. You're not going to be able to drive all of your cravings away. You're not going to be able to avoid all of the things that you constantly despise, but try to make sure that you have that steady nutrition getting into your body. So if you get worried about you're not getting enough of a certain supplement, or there are lots of good supplements out there that can help as an add-on to your baseline nutrition, you can discuss your nutritional needs as well with healthcare professionals. But most of the time you want to go for this balanced diet, eating small and steady, and supporting yourself with the cravings. As a recap, cravings and aversions are a natural part of pregnancy. They're really interesting. Most of it is driven by hormones. If you understand them better, it'll help you not feel guilty and it'll help you have a better pregnancy. This video is part of our pregnancy series videos. Visit our website and reach out to us for that clinician-led safe advice. Thank you.